Hi, Adorners! I'm Adrienne of Adornment with Adrienne, and I will be your girlfriend or your auntie of decor. Happy fall, y'all! Well, it's not quite fall yet, but I wanted to do a small preview. If you don't know me, of course you don't know me, I'm just starting. But I'm Adrienne, and I love to decorate. And if you're like me, you love to make things beautiful, and that's why I say adornment with Adrienne, because we know adornment is to make things beautiful and to decorate and decorative, right? So I'm going to do the definition another time. Coco Chanel used to always say that, and I so love her story. And so anyway, I went out and I went around to check a couple different places to see what they had out for fall. I went to Hobby Lobby and I went to Dollar Tree. And so I will insert a little video. I also have a little vignette that I keep in my kitchen that I decorate, and it's called Cafe Adri. I hope you have a little space in your house or in your home or your apartment, wherever you live, that makes you happy, okay? And so sometimes, maybe you don't have that right now. People are going through a lot of things, but if you do have a little space, anything to make you happy, whether it's little flowers or whatever, fresh flowers, even if it's just one little bunch and you cut it up and make it beautiful. We don't have to break the bank to make things beautiful. And so I hope that you're staying safe. Hope you're wearing your mask, honey. I don't care what these people say. Put a mask on, and safe and blessed. Okay. And if you're having issues or any problems, please be sure to ask and pray. Okay. If you pray, then make sure you say your prayers, honey. Okay. So, anyways, without further ado, I'm going to insert this little bit into the video, and then I'll be right back. Okay. See you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that little preview of some of the picks that are out for fall. If you're like me, like I said, I had Dollar Tree in there and Hobby Lobby. I actually went to Home Goods. There's a Home Goods that I go to that is actually a Home Goods and a TJ Maxx hooked together. And they didn't have anything for fall. I was so shocked. I couldn't believe it. So I wanted to go to Kirkland's. They weren't even open yet, but we'll try to go back and do those another time. So anyway, I'm Adrienne of Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of decor, and I hope you're well. And if you're not well, I know quarantine is crazy. When is it over, right? When is it over? When is it over? But we want to stay safe. And I'm actually an educator in real life. And so, there's so many things to think through. But I will say that if you are still here and you're healthy, and you have your family is healthy, that you're blessed, and that, just keep going. Okay. And if you're not having a good time right now, if things are not well for you, just pray, honey. If you pray, you don't have to pray. But, I've been through a lot of things in the last few years. And I used to ask my grandmother, I said, Gramps, how did you make it? My grandmother was a beautiful woman. She was so sweet. And she had 5 children. Her husband left her, honey. It's a whole nother story. Some little girl walked up to my grandmother's door and told her she had the papers, and my grandmother had the papers, but she had the man. That's a whole nother story. But I asked her, I said, how did you make it? How did you keep going? What did you do? And she said, I used to just pray and ask God to help me. So if you believe in prayer, I'm not a religious zealot, okay? I'm not here to preach at people, but if you need help, just have faith and keep going. Anyway, so I hope to be doing a few series on decor for fall and Christmas, if you celebrate Christmas. And I hope you will come back and join me. And again, I've been decorating since I was a little kid, and I thought, why not give YouTube a go? Okay, what else do we have to do in quarantine? So I hope you will come back and join me. And sincerely, I hope that you are safe and that you're happy and that you're blessed. and I look forward to having you back here with me. And instead of saying goodbye, quick story, I have so many stories, but my great grandmother used to never tell anyone goodbye. Everyone was like, did she just hang up? I think she hung the phone. Did she hang up on me? But she never wanted to say goodbye. She thought it was too permanent. And so what she would do is she would say, saving hello for another time. I'm actually working on these chairs behind me. I live in a small 1943 bungalow. Anyway, so but she would never say goodbye. And so what we're going to do here, instead of saying goodbye, we're going to say saving hello for another time. And again, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you. And of course, I'm with Adrienne of Adornment with Adrienne. Oh, click like or subscribe. Wherever that is on here, I'm just learning how to do this deck on YouTube. So click like or subscribe. Come back and join me. And I look forward to seeing you again. Saving hello for another time.
Here are a few bloopers from today. Enjoy.
I will be your girlfriend or your auntie of decor. I just wanted to come on for a quick fall preview. I'm going to start that one more time. Hi, Adorners. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. I'm Adrienne, of course, and I will be your auntie. Girl, this thing is moving around. Let me stop. Hi, Adorners. Hi. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. I'm Adrienne, and I will be your girlfriend or your auntie of decor. I'm trying to